So within Tabular Editor 3, this is one of the things that I use quite frequently just to pull in and out of my model. It's the Tom Explorer, and it shows you everything that you have within your model, all of the metadata. And a couple of little tips. There's this little button here in the top right, and that allows you to collapse all of your tables. So if you're working in things and you've got lots of data open and you want to simplify and start again, you can press this and it'll collapse all. It's really useful. The other thing that I find particularly useful is when you're looking at the whole of your model, you might want to actually specify. So on here, I can pull in and I can see all of my measures, and then it will show me the measures that I have. If I want to drill in, and you can see I've got sales amount minus copy, if I type in sales, it then shows me everything with sales. So it takes my my model, and I can really decide what I want to see. If I wanted to, I've just been playing with DAX scripts and C# scripts. I created a copy measure, so it shows me all the ones that are in copy. So if I wanted to delete them, I can just hide them all, shift and delete. So I can delete, and then if I think, oh, didn't mean to do that, I can press Ctrl Z and bring them back. The other thing I found just now is if I type in, see there, dash copy. If I type in dash copy, it shows me everything apart from those measures that aren't in there. So you can see I can't see them now. I'm not quite sure when you'd use that, but if you find it useful, then it's there. So we've got this little button here on how to collapse the Tom model. We've got these filters here where you can select and deselect anything that you particularly want to look at. And we've got this filter bar up there, which I find particularly useful in saving time. So I hope you found that useful. Thank you.